Hey guys, we are in the mall today. We're at Christiana, where it's tax-free, period. And I'm in Macy's because I had a Macy's gift card from my bridal shower in April that I'm just not using it because I didn't know you could use your Macy's gift card at MAC, at the MAC counter. So that's what I did. And so I bought me some makeup. This is the new makeup, you know, the waterproof foundation that they had. Now they discontinued that. Now they have this, and it's called the MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over Face Pen Crayon Corrector. So it's a foundation, it's a corrector, it's a concealer, and it's the same formula, and it's still waterproof and still full coverage. So I'll show you this later. Forever 21 now, and look what I seen. Oh, look at these boobs. Are they not fly? I don't know where I'm going in these because I can't wear heels at work, but oh my god, these are fly. I need jean print platform boots. I think I need these too. So here's the boot. This is size 7.5. These are so cute. Should I get these? I didn't get the shoes, but I got this bag. Isn't it cute? It's a good cruise bag. Good vacation. Now we in IKEA. It's just so fun just to walk around IKEA. Like this, because this is a pull-out bed couch situation. Let's see how it goes. So you pull this. Ooh, struggling. That's cute for our company that comes like once a year. This is how it will look. I love it. I need it. This sectional as well. It looks very cozy. Let's see. It is very cozy. The type of naps I can take on this couch. Another couch that we like. This one right here. It was nice and comfy. Thinking about this sleeper sofa as well, but in the royal blue. So it starts out like this and then it turns to that. Isn't that cute? This aesthetics. I love the wallpaper and I love this mirror. Oh, and then I love oh my god, I love the aesthetics of this room right here. All right guys, I am back home finally after like 100 hours. We left out the house at 10 a.m. and we're just not getting back, and it's like 6 p.m. Like, what were we doing? Anywho, so I finally want to show you what I got from the MAC store. Remember I told you their waterproof foundation is discontinued, but they came up with a new formula that's also waterproof and different packaging. So this is what it looks like. And it says an all over face pen. So you can use it as a foundation, concealer, corrector, and it's still full coverage and waterproof. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. This was $35. Like I said, I had a gift card, so yeah. And I got it in the shade NC47. And I got shade matched in the store. So that's that. And then we went to Sephora. My man got me some stuff from Sephora. And I got another Fenty skincare travel kit. It's good to get the travel kits because you get more items for the price of one. So yeah, so of course it comes with like the makeup remover, the toner, and SPF. And then I got me a mini butter drop. I love this butter drop, especially if you have eczema like I do. It works. And then I got me a strawberry sangria lip stain lipstick. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You know, I'm a Fenty girl. I'm a Juvia's Place girl. I'm a MAC girl. I'm an e.l.f. girl. I'm a NYX girl. Okay. And then I got the Milk Makeup mini setting spray. That's what it looks like. And then I got the Rio Rio de Janeiro, whatever the hell it's called, Brazil, whatever the hell. I got the scent in Brazilian Crush Cheirosa. So it has black, amber, plum, vanilla woods. Yep. I got the travel size one. And then I got the Fenty Beauty perfume in the travel size. They didn't have it in the full size in store. So I got the travel size, and I love the way it smells. Because I had got a sample a while ago. And then I got a Mini Milk Makeup Hydrovisor. Yes. It's so cute. That's what it looks like. I love this primer. But I also love the dupe too, the e.l.f. Cosmetic dupe. And then last but not least, I got this Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin Cherry Tree Conditioning Lip Oil. And a lot of things they didn't have in store. Like they had the one size Patrick Star setting spray. They didn't have that. They didn't have the little perfume kit that I've been seeing all over TikTok lately. Oh, look at this. I'm going to try this right now because my lips is dry. Ugh, that feels good. Ooh. And it smells good too. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. So that's what I got from Sephora. And then I went to Forever 21 and I got this bag like I showed you in the store, but here's a better view. I got this bag from Forever 21. Isn't it cute? Isn't she cute? You could dress this up or dress this down. Yes. So that's all I got for today. That's it. I'll see you later.